How to change your username on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to change your username on Discord. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Discord. After this, when you open Discord, you will just go down and open your profile. Then when you open your profile guys, you will just go to account and then you will go to username and click, and then you will change your username, like you will add something, for example, like whatever you want. And when you finish, you will just go here and click save, and it will change video. That's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.